Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to turn off HVCIKMCI. Go to Windows search bar, then type Core Isolation. Now, select Core Isolation. There, you will see Memory Integrity. It is another name for HVCIKMCI. Just turn it off. Now, restart your PC. After the computer restart is done, you can play Naraka, Bladepoint normal. Please visit this website for more information about Core Isolation. That's it guys, hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.